Fine, Miss Carol. And how are you?
Doing well, Sherry. You seem to be doing well in your online course. I see that this is your first one. Are you feeling good about this experience?
I'm enjoying this experience, but it is challenging. I like the convenience of online classes. I've done well on my assignments, but I've been having trouble with my home computer. Mr. Terry, the lab manager, said some of the lab computers have a virus, so I need to deal with these problems pretty quickly so I can get my work done on time.
Well, Sherry, that's actually what I wanted to talk to you about today. I understand you shared a resource recently through a link you shared in an online discussion with the others.
Yes, it was a link to grade A research project templates that I found through a Google search. Some of the students were having a hard time with their projects. I thought this would help them. I know if it really helped once I downloaded it and used it. That was the last assignment I was able to do before my computer went berserk. Several of the other students told me they downloaded it and used it too.
That's very thoughtful of you, Sherry, and that's one of the positive aspects of online learning, students collaborating and helping each other. Did you scan the download for viruses before you used it or suggest the other students scan it?
No, I didn't. I just assumed it was fine since it was a link on the website of one of our local colleges.
Have you thought about the possibility that this download is related to your computer problems at home and to the viruses on some of the lab computers here at school?
Oh, no, Miss Carol. Surely not. I would never try to hurt any computers or give my classmates any problems.
Of course you wouldn't, Sherry. This was an accident. I know you didn't intend for this to happen. The infected computers were used by some of the online students who downloaded the software at home, used it and brought the files to school on thumb drives.
I feel terrible. What's going to happen to me because of this? And what about the lab computers?
Sherry, I think we can deal with this. Mr. Terry is running scans and antivirus. He also has a list of troubleshooting tips for dealing with and preventing viruses. Mr. Terry will share this information with you that may even help with your home computers too. The next time I meet with you online students, we will go over it again.
I need to apologize to the other students and Mr. Terry. I never dreamed this would happen. My parents are having to pay to get our computer fixed. I guess I'll have to fess up to what happened at home too.
Sherry, I think we've all learned a valuable lesson, that you can't be too careful about the safety of downloads, whatever the source.
I've learned my lesson. I'm so embarrassed. I know everyone will probably know I'm responsible, but thank you for talking to me privately first.
Sherry, you are a good student. Let's appreciate the lesson and move on. Remember, always scan for viruses before using any software or downloads, and tell that to others too.
You got it, Miss Carol. I will be super careful from now on. See you at our next meeting.